What is going on, Cheddarsoft? Taylor here, and I am super excited to bring to you guys the Cheddarsoft extension. When we set out to build Cheddarsoft a couple of years back, we were looking to create a database for your leads, a place where you can search and sift and sort through those leads, easily create and manage your orders. But one problem came up that we wanted to fix, which was, how do I quickly add leads into my account, these one-off leads that I find while I'm sourcing, whether I'm rabbit trailing or maybe I'm just looking at another lead list and I'm just looking at the items that I like and want to buy. How do I quickly add that into my Cheddarsoft account without having to record the lead details into a CSV file, upload it, map it out, and all that stuff? And so this is our solution. Our solution is this extension. This extension lives on the Amazon listing, as you can see right here. It is very easy to get your leads into your Cheddarsoft account. This extension will scrape details from the Amazon page. So all you're going to have to do is grab your buy cost, add in your source URL, your source name, any notes or promo information specific to that lead, and then you are off to the races. You can save that lead into your smart data database, as well as add it to a buy list so you can plan on buying it for that day while also saving it for the future. So let's just go over how you add the extension. Super easy. Just come to the Chrome store, search the Cheddarsoft extension, and add it to your Chrome browser. Once you are in and that is downloaded, you will see when you go to an Amazon listing, this window pop up right here where it says Get Started. Now, when you select Get Started, it is going to ask you to log into your account. Now, if you are already logged into your account, this next step is super simple. You just hit Login. It's going to open you up to a Cheddarsoft page. It's going to let you know that you have successfully logged into the extension, and you can go back to the Amazon listing that you were just currently looking at. Once you're signed in, you stay signed in. So this is only a process you're going to have to do one time. Now, I have a lead here. This is an item that we're going to use just for this example. I'm buying it for $18 from Shop Disney. It doesn't make a ton of profit, and it really doesn't matter for this video. But I want to add this to my Cheddarsoft account. And you can come over here to my smart data. You can see I have nothing in my example or my tutorial account currently in the last 90 days. And I have nothing in my buy list for my team buy list. Okay. Now, just for the sake of the video, I'm going to create another buy list called, I already did. Look at me. I have a test buy list here, and then I have my team buy list. So I'm going to go back to the Amazon listing, and I want to add this lead into my account. So I'm just going to hit Add to Cheddarsoft. And this window is going to pop up on the Amazon listing, and you can see it's already grabbing the ASIN. It's grabbing variation details like size and color. So for this item, there is no variation details. It's just a single item. But if you're looking at like shoes or clothes, you will see the size and the color of that specific item. The parent ASIN is also supposed to be getting pulled for these variations. I will say that there is a bug with that. It's not pulling the data correctly, but I didn't want to delay getting this out to you guys. So for now, the parent ASIN isn't being pulled, but it is something that we are actually getting when we are updating the stats. And so it's really going to be helpful for the next version of Cheddarsoft that we're working on. So just know that. In the top here, I do have my lead list sources that I can add to. So when I'm adding a lead, I can put it in a specific lead list that I want by selecting it from the dropdown. Categories are automatically getting pulled. So things that we need to add are the cost. Now, this window is movable. So if you need to move it out of your way for your profit calculator, you can do so. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to put the cost at $18. My net profit on this would be $1.79. My ROI would only be 10%. Okay, sales rank average is already being pulled from the listing itself. And then all I need to do is add in a source URL. So I just come over here to that, copy it, paste it in here, and then I grab the supplier name from the URL and paste it next to it. And then if there was a promotion or anything like that, I could add it into here. Let's just see if there's any special offers available. Ooh, it looks like there's a 30% off deal. So actually, I'm buying this for cheaper. If I wanted to, I could actually buy it for 18 times 70. So I'd be buying this for like $12.60 if I bought enough to hit that promo code. Again, we're just doing this for the example, guys. It doesn't really need to make sense. So my promo would be 30% off. I believe that is $150. Let me just double check. Yes, $150. Was that $30 or 30%? 30%. So off of $150. And then my coupon code is going to be save more. So I'll just add that in here as well. Now, if I want to add any notes about this lead, I could do so. For example, we're at least going to want to buy 12, I imagine, to activate this promo. So I may say need to buy 12 for promo. Okay. Now I can also add this to the buy list. Okay. So if I come down here and I say add to the buy list as well, not only am I going to be saving the lead, but I can also add this to my test buy list. I can say I want to buy 12 units, and I could leave my notes. I could just say, make sure we get the full promo. Okay. Now, when I do this, when I hit save, it will save it to my smart data account, and it's going to save it to my team buy list because that is, or the test buy list, because that is what I have selected here. I want to point out this right here. You can also mark your leads as hazmat. Currently, we are not able to do bundles. We are in the works of getting that fixed. It was originally part of the original design, but we were just running into some issues with the bundles, so we need a little bit more time fine-tuning that. But when I'm all finished up, I can hit save. You're going to see here that product was added to my team lead list and also added to my buy list. And if I come here and I select my buy list, I now see the item living in my buy list. And then if I come over here to smart data, I can also, if I reset my filters, you can also see the lead showing up in my smart data account as well. So guys, this extension is under beta right now. So as you are playing around with it, if you run into any issues, please reach out to us via the chat box in the bottom right-hand corner of your Cheddarsoft account. I'll be happy to help you out with those and get anything fixed as quickly as possible. Remember, you can move this. You can't make it smaller. Okay, we are going to be making some changes and updates. This is the first draft. So any feedback that you guys have for this extension would also be super helpful. This is version 1. Like I said, we are going to be planning to make updates. I want to point out to you guys this image that is also being pulled as well. Again, something that's going to be a big part of the new version of Cheddarsoft that we are currently working on is product images. So we're gathering that information through this extension, but also we're gathering that now while we update the stats on your leads. So really cool, exciting stuff down the road, but also today with this extension. So head on over to the Chrome store, add it to your account. I also want to point out here, if you pin the extension in your toolbar, you'll be able to easily sign out of the account or view your leads by clicking view leads. It's going to open up your smart data account and it's going to show you all of your leads in here. If for some reason you have any issues or you say you give access to one of your virtual assistants and maybe you let that person go, if you want to make sure that they don't have access into your account, you will want to reset your password. And by doing so, they will not be able to use the extension to add any data into your account. So I just wanted to point that out to you as well. Other than that, guys, you have a fantastic rest of your day. Let me know if you have any questions below. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.